that. Look at that. I nailed it. More pressure on the right knee. More pressure. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Okay.
Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat.
We kicked off our journey at the Nevada City Victorian Christmas Festival, where the town was transformed into a winter wonderland, complete with a live, silent night performance. Each shopfront felt like a step back in time. Honestly, these fonts deserve their own Instagram account. It was a celebration of warmth, even in the midst of winter's chill. With Nevada City's charm behind us, we cruised through a snowy wonderland towards South Lake Tahoe. Emerald Bay Trailhead welcomed us with a breathtaking view that was nothing short of magical. Each step on the snow-covered trail was like walking on a winter cloud, leading us deeper into the serene oasis. Vikingsholm Trail led us to the lake shore, where snow blanketed the ground, reflecting the winter sky in a mesmerizing dance. And just as we thought things couldn't get more magical, the lake began to freeze over before our eyes. Then, like a scene from a Nordic fairy tale, Vikingsholm Castle emerged. An architectural marvel amidst the snow. We have heard rumors of a hidden waterfall, and Cascade Falls did not disappoint. The trail to the falls was an adventure in itself. Icy paths, stunning vistas, and that exhilarating feeling of discovery. For the grand finale in Tahoe, we headed to Donner Summit, where others were strapping on chains, but our all-wheel drive Subaru was all set for the climb. The drive up was a blizzard. Visibility dropping, but our excitement soaring. Sugar Bowl Resort was our snowy playground, where we hit the slopes and, let's just say, we had some epic moments. We hit the slopes, carving our way down the mountain, each run a blend of grace and, well, the occasional tumble. As the day came to a close, we looked out over Lake Tahoe, grateful for every moment of this adventure. If you enjoyed this winter adventure, subscribe for more and let us know in the comments what's your winter destination this year.